The Strait of Hormuz is a skinny S-curve of water between Iran and Oman. That connects the Persian Gulf to the Arabian Sea. It's only about 21 nautical miles wide at its narrowest. It carries roughly 20 million barrels of oil a day, and about 1/5 of the world's LNG. Here's why that matters right now. On March 2, 2026, Iran's Revolutionary Guard said the strait was closed and warned ships not to pass. After failed nuclear talks and strikes that rocked Iran's leadership, tanker traffic fell off a cliff. First down about 70%, then near zero as more than 150 ships waited outside. What surprised me most is how it shut down. Not a classic naval blockade, but a few targeted drone strikes around the waterway. Insurers saw the risk and pulled coverage, and suddenly ships, crews, and cargo financing couldn't move. It's an economic closure. Fear and insurance did what missiles usually would. Prices jumped, crude up more than 10%, gas in Europe and Asia even higher. Asia takes the biggest hit. About 84% of the oil through Hormuz heads there, and most LNG heads to Asia. China relies on it for roughly 40% of its oil imports, and a big chunk of its LNG. South Asia is especially vulnerable. Pakistan and Bangladesh have limited storage and depend heavily on Qatari and UAE gas. Are there workarounds? A few. Saudi can push some barrels via the Red Sea. Pakistan's already asked for reroutes through Yanbu, but volumes can't replace Hormuz at scale. Legally, under UNCLOS, transit passage shouldn't be hampered. Shutting a strait outright is hard to justify. So the response now is naval escorts, political risk insurance, and trying to coax traffic back. If the strait stays unsafe, expect tighter supplies, higher prices, and rolling energy stress. First in Asia, then everywhere. If safety and insurance return, the taps reopen. In choke points like Hormuz, confidence is the commodity that moves everything else.